Tropical storm Elsa reached the Florida Keys on Tuesday, heading north toward the state's west coast, where it is expected to hit the coast as a hurricane on Wednesday morning. The National Hurricane Center reported that Elsa was about 65 miles northwest of Key West and was moving northwestward at about 10 miles per hour, with maximum winds of about 60 miles per hour. Strong winds and rain hit Key West Tuesday morning and caused flooding in the streets, although the center of the storm remained offshore. It is forecast to intensify slowly until tonight, and Storm Elsa could be close to hurricane strength before it reaches the coast in Florida, said a forecaster from Miami. After making landfall on Wednesday morning along the Florida Gulf Coast, the storm is forecast to push northeast across the southeastern United States, and rain up to 4 inches of rain on the Florida Peninsula. The arrival of tropical storm winds and rain threatened to thwart search and rescue efforts at the Surfside condominium collapse site, where rescuers sifted through the rubble for 12 days in hopes of finding survivors. According to Miami-Dade Mayor Danielle Levenkawa, as of Tuesday morning, 32 people had been confirmed dead and 113 were missing.